Aloha mai kākou, o wa'u kui, o ka ho'olelo o ke iala o i ho'i ka lumi. Hello folks, my name is Kui. Today's word of the day is lumi. Lumi in Hawaiian means room. It comes from the English word of room, hence the Hawaiianization rumi or lumi. Meikai. Okay, so rumi or lumi, let's try and use that in a sentence. Ihea kou lumi. Ihea kou lumi. Ihea kou lumi. Ihea kou lumi, where is your room? Yeah, ihea, where? Kou lumi, your room. Yeah, ihea kou lumi, where is your room? Maikai. Aloha. Hui ho kākou.